guys, it should be from Cuffs, Names, and Things. Sorry I haven't been on for like a week, but I've been really busy and then I haven't been feeling that well, but I'm back this week, so you guys will have 3 new videos this week. And for today's project, we're going to make this gorgeous postcard, so I will show you from start to finish how to create this beautiful postcard. It's super simple, lots of fun. I love how it turned out, so please keep watching.
Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you, I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there, 'cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me, 'cause I still think you're perfect, perfect. Pretty, 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 pretty. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. I know you love me, you know I love you. Oh, think of the moments of me and you. Our love is stronger for what we've been through. You're my family, that's always gonna be. But you cry when I'm not there. You're afraid of time. You keep saying you're afraid of time. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me, 'cause I still think you're perfect, perfect. Pretty, pretty. Even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100
Okay, so the postcard's all done. This is how it looks. It turned out really good. And it says an unexamined life is not worth living. And then that's my little birdie that I made. And yep, and those are flowers that I made. I just kind of went over them with my black Uniball pen. But I really love the way it turned out. I wish that I would have got some stamping kind of close to the bird, but it just didn't happen. And I did create a little beak for him too. I don't know if I showed you that part, but I just sketched him out of, just book page paper, which is great. And yeah, so it was a lot of fun to make. I really enjoyed the process. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Also, I did brush the whole thing with varnish, and I put a little bit of oil pastel on the edges, which I love, just to kind of add that kind of outline. I love that. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I have more tutorials too on how I'm making postcards, so please go check those out. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a fabulous day. Bye bye.